Wireless earbuds for online classes, enhanced learning. Title: Wireless earbuds for online classes, enhanced learning. Introduction: 100 words. In recent times, the shift towards online learning has rapidly accelerated, thanks to advancements in technology and the convenience it brings. As students and instructors adapt to this new normal, the need for efficient and effective virtual communication tools has become increasingly important. One such tool that has gained significant popularity is wireless earbuds. Offering convenience, flex, ability, and enhanced audio quality, wireless earbuds have become a vital accessory for online classes. This article explores the benefits of using wireless earbuds for online classes and how they contribute to an enhanced learning experience. 1. Crystal clear audio, 300 words. In an online learning environment, clear and uninterrupted audio is crucial for effective communication between students and instructors. Unreliable computer speakers or low-quality headphones can hinder the learning experience, leading to miscommunication and frustration. This is where wireless earbuds excel. Wireless earbuds are known for their high-fidelity audio quality, providing students with an immersive and crisp sound experience. With advanced audio codecs, noise cancellation technology, and Super or sound drivers, these earbuds are designed to eliminate background noise and ensure crystal-clear audio during online classes. Students can fully focus on the lecture or discussion without any distractions, leading to better retention of information and improved learning outcomes. 2. Seamless connectivity and portability, 300 words. Another key advantage of wireless earbuds is their seamless connectivity and portability. Most wireless earbuds use Bluetooth technology, allowing them to easily connect to various devices such as laptops, tablets, or smartphones. This wireless connection eliminates the hassle of tangled wires and ensures students can move around freely during online classes without being tethered to their device. Portability is also an important feature of wireless earbuds. They are compact and lightweight, making them easy to carry around, whether it's from one room to another or on the go. Students can effortlessly switch between devices and maintain constant audio connectivity without any interruptions. This flexibility enables them to attend classes from anywhere, enhancing accessibility and overall learning experience. 3. Noise isolation and focus, 400 words. Studying from home, or any other environment, often comes with background noise that can disturb concentration during online classes. Wireless earbuds, equipped with noise isolation and noise cancellation tie-in capabilities, address this issue by filtering out external noises and distractions. By creating a quiet and focused listening environment, students can concentrate on the class material, participate actively, and engage with their instructors and peers efficiently. Wireless earbuds also provide an excellent solution for students living in noisy households or crowded spaces. By isolating themselves from the external environment, students can minimize interruptions and create an immersive learning atmosphere. This noise isolation feature is especially beneficial during online examinations, where complete concentration is essential for performance. 4. Versatility and multipurpose usage, 300 words. Wireless earbuds serve as more than just a tool for online classes. They can be utilized for a variety of purposes, making them a versatile accessory for students. Besides attending lectures and discussions, wireless earbuds allow students to listen to pre-recorded class materials, podcasts, or even audiobooks. They can also be used for virtual group discussions, language learning exercises, and multimedia presentations. The versatility of wireless earbuds adds value to their investment and proves to be an all-in-one solution for students' audio needs. Depending on the model, many wireless earbuds provide more than 5 hours of continuous playback. Additionally, most wireless earbuds come with a compact charging case that extends the battery life. Even further, users can simply place the earbuds back into the case during breaks, and they will recharge automatically. This charging convenience ensures students are always ready and fully equipped for their online classes. 6. Ergonomic design and comfort, 300 words. Comfort is a key factor when it comes to choosing wireless earbuds for online classes. Students often spend long hours wearing them, so it is crucial that they are designed for extended use without causing discomfort. Many wireless earbuds feature an ergonomic design that ensures a secure and comfortable fit. With various ear tip sizes and shapes available, students can find the perfect fit that suits their ear anatomy. This not only enhances comfort but also helps in passive noise isolation, as the Earbuds create a tight seal in the ear canal, blocking out external sounds. Students can wear them for hours without experiencing any ear fatigue, allowing them to fully concentrate on the class material and maximize their learning potential. Furthermore, wireless earbuds often come with features like sweatproof or waterproof capabilities, making them suitable for physical activities or outdoor studying. Whether students prefer to study while exercising or simply want to enjoy a study session in a calm, natural setting, wireless earbuds provide the flexibility to do so comfortably. 7. Enhance collaboration and engagement, 300 words. Wireless earbuds facilitate collaboration and engagement during online classes by enabling seamless communication with instructors and peers. With their built-in microphone, students can participate in discussions, ask questions, and contribute ideas without any audio disturbances. The microphone quality of wireless earbuds is typically designed to pick up clear sound and eliminate background noise, ensuring that everyone can hear and understand each other effectively. This level of clarity and convenience enhances the overall class experience and encourages students to actively engage in discussions. Students who may be hesitant to speak up in a traditional class or setting often find it easier to contribute in online classes with the help of wireless earbuds. This not only promotes interaction but also fosters a sense of community and camaraderie among students, despite the physical distance between them. 8. Accessibility and inclusivity, 300 words. Wireless earbuds play a vital role in improving accessibility and inclusivity in online classes. Students with hearing impairments can benefit from the customization options available in some wireless earbuds. These options allow individuals to adjust the audio settings according to their specific needs, enhancing their learning experience. Furthermore, wireless earbuds provide real-time audio feedback, making it easier for students to detect and comprehend the speech of instructors or classmates who may have accents or speak quickly. His feature is particularly helpful for non-native English speakers or students with auditory processing difficulties. Moreover, some wireless earbuds offer language translation capabilities, allowing students who speak different languages to participate in online classes without language barriers. This inclusivity promotes diversity and creates an environment where every student has an equal opportunity to learn and engage in the educational process. 9. Cost-effective solution, 300 words. Wireless earbuds are not only a functional accessory for online classes, but they also offer a cost-effective solution for students. Compared to traditional headphones or headsets, wireless earbuds are generally more affordable, making them accessible to a wider range of students. Therefore, Students can enjoy the benefits of high-quality audio and enhanced communication without having to invest in costly equipment. Furthermore, the durability of wireless earbuds ensures that they can withstand daily use. They are built to withstand the wear and tear of regular use, making them a long-term investment for student.